say hello to the Motorola Razr. When closed, the external display features a robust and unique user interface, so it's easy to stay connected. And when you open Razr, whatever you're doing seamlessly transitions to the larger display that has all the capabilities of a smartphone. If you flip the Razr open 100 times a day, every day, it would take more than 5 years to reach the baseline of our rigorous nonstop flip test. And it features 4 antennas dedicated to 5G, a huge 48 megapixel camera sensor, a battery that lasts all day. With its breakthrough engineering and design, the Razr delivers a totally new and unique experience, completely changing the way we use smartphones.